Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us who was your sales manager and how did your experience go with them during your entire process so far?
Usually, Geraldo. See, he's the one I contact first, and I contact him, and then he reply me quickly in the by email. Yeah, because he did for my neighbor, and I saw they did a good job. That's why I contact. I asked my neighbor his name, his phone number, and then I contact him by email.
Amazing. And was he able to answer all of your questions along your process so far?
Oh yeah, the the processing went through very smooth. Yeah, nothing happened, nothing struggled. Yeah, and after they install all the panels, and then I just wait for a few days for the city to inspection.
Very good. Very good. And as far as green home systems, why did you choose to go with green home systems out of all of the other solar options? I know you said your neighbor worked with us. Is that the reason why you chose to go with green home systems?
Yeah, that's why I talked to my neighbor. He's yeah, we talk almost everything, but he shared with me that the panels, solar panels, and I asked him about all the details, and he introduced me to the green home solar system. So that's why I asked him for the salesman, and then I got all the details.
Very good. And why did you decide to go solar initially, besides your neighbor also going solar?
You know what? I have my members in my family, and my wife and my son. They are working at home, so kind of we spend a lot of electricity, and during summer my house very hot, and we use we on the AC almost like 24 hours during kind of July, August. Yeah, and I paid a lot of money for the electricity. That's why I ask someone. They already installed the solar, and of course my neighbor he installed, so my next door. So that's why I asked him.
Fantastic. Amazing. Well, I'm so excited to see where your solar journey takes you. And thank you so much for choosing Green Home Systems.